Good Stuff Show. The Good Stuff Show. Good Stuff Show. The Good Stuff Show. Good Stuff Show. The Good Stuff Show.
Cheeseburgers and guacamole. With chips as well. That comes later though. So I almost say guacamoles. 2 of them. First, we're gonna start with the meat. And eat the eggshell too.
It's actually really disturbing.
I feel like this is like a live leak.
Alright guys, it's time to cook.
Oh my god, he takes forever. Dude. I just want to put my burger on. Oh, here we go. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Baby. Oh yeah. Dude. Come on. Very nice. I got some of the butter on me.
We're making burgers.
God, I keep burning myself. I get a little bit hungry. Taste test.
All right,
I think you should try
time
this
for a
one.
taste test. Here's a chip.
Oh, I get my own chip?
What do you rate it out of 10, Anthony?
I haven't even tried it yet.
Oh, okay. Out of 10, Anthony.
I rate it 10 out of 10. Because I made it.
I think it's kind of mid. I think it's just a little bit not very flavorful.
Oh.
This sucks, Anthony.
You know it doesn't suck. You know it doesn't suck.
This is so bad.
No, it's not.
I'm almost gagged.
No.
Whoa. You almost made him gag.
Alright, Jaden.
Good night, Good Stuff Show viewers.
Good night, Jaden. Just
Sleep well.
actually, good night, everybody, except for if your name's Jaden. If your name's Jaden, I hope you do not sleep tonight. I hope you wake up and you have insomnia. You cannot sleep.
Hey.
You can't eat food. I hope you just, you can't do anything.
That'd actually be a favor for me. Your guacamole sucks.
But hey.
I genuinely hope, right, you are not able to go to sleep tonight.
What's up, guys? It's the Good Stuff Show. Right now, I'm playing a horror game, trying to get some funny clips out of it for your guys' entertainment. Let's see what we can get here. But let's see what we can do. Jimmy is going around trying to stop us from finding out the stories and everything that happened before. It's up to us. Try and uncover all the mysteries. So without further ado, let's get started.
Is someone there?
He's on our floor, by the way, everybody. I think we might have to look for something in the second floor.
Woohoo! Big summer blowout?
Before we do anything, that's Jimmy talking, by the way.
Nothing ever happens, and I wonder how
Is someone there?
I'm not sure. Alright guys, this sucks, but we weren't able to find anything. We weren't able to continue any of the game. This part is actually one of the most difficult parts, so at least we weren't able to do anything, but that was Aiden from The Good Stuff Show. Peace out, y'all.